of this issue.
Okay, so how much do I owe?
Let me read out the affidavit so that you can come to know about this.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, here is the affidavit. But before I go ahead and proceed with the affidavit, I would like to let you know that you are speaking to me over the recorded line, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now the thing is, I would like to let you know one more thing. This case is not only about defrauding the government, it's also about your dignity. Your dignity of being a good citizen of the country. We have not made this case in public yet, just to secure your credit history. So please make a note of one thing, that there should be no one who is listening this conversation, neither your family member nor your joint filer, okay?
No, I'm here by myself. That's okay. Thank you for that. I
So
don't want
let's go for the
bad
case
credit.
and give you the details. And before I give you any relevant information on the case, I would like to make you aware about two things.
Yep.
First thing is that, as you know, we are talking with the legal department of Australian Tax Office. So the calls are being recorded and monitored for a strong evidence against you by the ATO headquarters, okay?
Okay.
And the police department of your local state and the Attorney General's office are listening this conversation from the other side. Second thing, I really appreciate if you do not interrupt me. Listen to me very, very carefully. I promise I will give you enough opportunity to put your questions so that I will be able to address them relevantly according to the affidavit provided to me. Okay?
Yep.
Hello?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, hold on. Just a second, okay?
Okay.
Just a second. Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Alright, I've got your affidavit. Now listen to me very, very carefully, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay. Sorry, I'm just.
We have received a legal allegation against your name for tax fraud, which means that we have done an audit and scrutinized your taxes. It is for the year of 2011 to 16, and we found out something unusual under that calculation of your tax filing. We found out that the duration of these 5 years, there was a miscalculation done over your tax filings for the amount of $2,090. 2090. Now it is claimed that it has been unpaid or it was a miscalculation. But this unusual figure is hitting towards the system, and we have a strong reason to believe that it was not an innocent negligence, but it was done on purpose to fraud with ATO. Before moving further, I would like to give you some evidence which has been collected against you and which has led us to register this case against you. As you know, that ATO is forwarding notice each time to the concerned taxpayer in this issue. The same way we are giving you a call over this recorded line. Okay? Now, like I said earlier, that now under this statement which has been proclaimed by the higher commissioners of ATO, they are pressing 4 serious allegations under your name, and these 4 allegations are under Chapter 13 and Section 37C. I'm listing these allegations to you. Please listen to it very carefully.
I am.
Count 1, which is violation of Commonwealth tax regulation. Count 2, violation of Australian taxation code. Count 3, theft by deception. And count 4, willful misrepresentation of information against the government organization. So at this point of time, we have decided to forcefully sue you inside the Commonwealth Code and for the criminal charges by invoking the Australian Revenue Code of 6331 as against you. That means that the ATO will be taking a legal course of action in this matter. So under this section code 6331H, let me tell you how it works. First of all, ATO will mark the lien on your private assets, including your house, car, liquid and solid assets, as well as all your known bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated. After that, ATO will file a lien on your 401k plan. Action will be performed by employing your public and your creditor about government's legally claiming your property. If you have a current 401k plan, then it will be terminated, and if you don't have one, then there will be no eligibility for future. We will be also filing a lien on your official assets. All your wages and benefits will be frozen by informing your employer or to the government bodies that you are affiliated with. And if you are a self-employer, then we will put a lien on your official assets, as well as your working license will get cancelled. And if you have any existing payment with ATO will be terminated under Section 30A of IRAT code, and according to the code, you will be listed as a defaulter, in which a notice will be sent after an assessment on the basis of the suing amount will be decided in the Commonwealth Code, which could be up to $72,000. That means if you lose this case in the court, then ATO will be suing you for $72,000, which will be including bail charges, legal charges, affidavit charges, court hearing fees, attorney charges, and many more, where you will be given a time frame of a week to come up with those $72,000 or imprisonment up to 5 years. So tell me now, what is your intention? What would you like to do? Because there are 2 more charges on your name could be, that is tax evasion as per Australian Reform Act of 1986 and tax lien as per Reform Act of 1966. Tell me what's your intention and what do you want to do?
So I could be fined up to $72,000. Is that right?
You want to
So
pay that $72,000?
No, I don't want to. I'm so scared. Is that serious? I could be in trouble for $72,000.
Yes, that is true, ma'am. You could be in a trouble for $72,000 if you won't pay the outstanding balance right at this moment. So if you want to be on a safer side, the outstanding balance which you have to surrender right at this moment is $2,090. And if you want, then you will be end up paying $72,000, which will be to the court, which includes penalty charges, late fee charges, document charges, and many other charges. Okay? So you are the best judge of yourself now. What do you want to do?
Can I pay it off?
Yes, you can pay this off $2,000 and you can be on a safer side, but I'm not sure. Okay? I have to speak with my higher authority. I need to make them aware about this. And if they allow you to make this payment, then only you can go ahead and make this payment. If they say no, that means you have to hire an attorney today itself who can fight your case. Okay?
Okay.
So what do you want me to do? What's your intention?
Can I pay it off like weekly?
No weekly payments. It has to be done today itself. If the authority is letting you know that you could make this payment and settle this issue, that means you have to make this payment straight away right now while you are on the phone, because you are speaking to me over the recorded line. And if by any means if we get disconnected, then the option to settle this issue will get cancelled for you.
Okay. But I think I don't have that much in my bank at the moment.
How much do you have? Just be honest with me. How much do you have? I'll speak with the authority.
Can I just check my internet banking for a second?
Sure you can.
Okay, thank you.
I'm on the phone with you. Take your time.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I can't remember my password. Hold on, sorry. Okay. So I've got 1,500, but I need to pay 600 of that into rent tomorrow. So I would only have really maybe $900 to pay at the moment, but I could really pay the rest in a couple of weeks.
Are you pretty sure? Because if you want to make the remaining payment, all right, within a month, then you will be in a big trouble. Let me tell you that.
If I don't make it within 1 month, so I've got to make sure I pay you within a month.
Yes, because for that I need to convince my higher authority. All right.
Yep. Okay. Can you ask, please?
So you. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you on a hold.
Okay.
I'll speak with them. Okay.
Thank you.
I'll let them know about your condition. All right.
Thank you
I'll
for
try
your
my
help.
best to convince them.
I
Okay?
appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Because see, there is a legitimate option called OIC, that is offer in compromise, under which you can take care of this case, but you need to meet certain requirements first.
Okay.
As the offer in compromise program is not open for everyone, but if you want, I can request my higher authority to provide you this option, but you need to answer some of the questions in order to make yourself eligible to get this option.
Okay.
I'm asking you a few questions. Please do answer them correctly, at most honesty on this recorded line, okay?
Yeah.
Are you in an open bankruptcy proceeding?
No.
Do you have any criminal or legal charges pending against you?
No.
Are you on any probation period?
No.
Do you have any traffic ticket which you have not cleared yet?
I think there is a traffic ticket, yeah.
Alright. Do you have any prior convictions for grand theft or money laundering charges?
No.
Alright, well, it seems like you can have an option to resolve this case out of court, but please make sure I'm not committing you at this point. I need to let my higher authority know about this. Before I speak with them, I still want to ask you, are you 100% sure that you want to take care of this case out of Commonwealth Code?
Oh, I don't want to go to court. I'll lose everything. I'll lose my house, won't I? If I go to court.
Alright, please be on a hold.
Yeah, thank you.
Just a moment. I'll back to you over this recorded line. Stay connected, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hold on.
Thanks.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thanks for being hold.
Oh, no, thank you so
Right,
much
like,
for trying to help me.
Sorry?
I just said thank you so much for trying to help me.
It's my duty, ma'am. Alright? See, you're eligible to get this option which is known as offer in compromise option on the basis of your credit history. There are certain protocols which you have to follow in order to take care of this case out of court. And the higher authority are willing to see how much you are serious in order to get this option. Please assure that you need to follow some protocols. I'm giving you the information about it, so listen to it very, very carefully, okay?
Yeah.
Very first protocol is that you know that the offer in compromise program is not open for everyone, as the ATO have not made this case in public yet, just to keep your dignity safe and clear. We expect the same thing from you to keep the dignity of this offer in compromise program, and do not share any sort of information on this case with any third person or party. If it happened, such as you relay any single information on this case to the public, then I'll be not helping you further, and let's meet each other in the Commonwealth Court and face the legal consequences. Am I clear with that?
Yes.
Second protocol is that you need to stay connected on the call with me till the time you complete the entire process in order to get this case out of court. Because you know that we are on a recorded line, and this recorded conversation will be only the evidence with me to play in your favor in front of the judge and jury, to make them aware that you have never ever intend to defraud with the government. It happened just because you were not aware about it, and whenever it came to your knowledge, you surely intend to resolve this case out of court.
Yep.
Also, please assure we are on a server call. If this line stays blank for more than 1 minute, then the call will get disconnected. And if by any means the call gets disconnected, then the option to resolve this case will also get closed. Alright? See, hello?
Yes. See.
Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer your call to the payment department supervisor, who will help you to make this payment. Okay? And once you make this payment, you will be given the 10-digit confirmation number for that payment, and your next payment will get scheduled. Okay?
Oh, sorry. I've just got an email from my accountant. Can I just open that? Sorry, I just emailed her while I was on the phone. Sorry, so I did mention it. I just wanted to see if she was available for a chat. So she said that I could give her a call in 10 minutes. Can I just make sure that she has done my accounts, right? Like, she's been in my accountant for a long time. And I just want to...
Listen to me, ma'am.
Yeah.
If you'll talk to your accountant, let me tell you one thing. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Well, let me tell you one thing, that at this point of time, your accountant will not be allowed to attend the hearing inside the Commonwealth Court, as you are the primary suspect, not your accountant. Moreover, do you really think that your accountant will accept his or her mistake in front of the judge and juries and put her working license in danger? She will surely not do that, because if the charges will be proven right in the court, then there are chances that your accountant may lose his working license. So instead of accepting her mistake, she will put allegations on you that you might have not provided with the exit information to her in order to file your taxes properly. Secondly, do you really think that if you lose this case in the court, then your accountant will pay the suing amount or go inside the jail behalf of you? Not at all. So if you're thinking that your accountant will be God for you, who will take you out of this matter, please assure that she will secure her working license instead of taking your side in the courthouse. Still, if you want to do it, you can hang up the call, as you have already done the breach of contract. I told you not to discuss this issue with any third person, yet you did it. So I guess this offer in compromise program is no more available for you. Okay?
I didn't tell her anything
Speak
about
with your
you.
certified
I
accountant,
just
and let's meet each other to the court. Okay?
No, I just told her that I needed to talk to her, so she doesn't know.
Ma'am, see, if you're thinking, if you're not understanding the seriousness of this issue, alright, we cannot settle this. Alright? Am I clear? I told you very specifically, very clear, that you are not entitled to discuss this issue unless you settle this issue, you get the settlement certificate. Yet you have discussed this issue with any third person, right?
Not really. I'm sorry. I'm just crying now. I'm really upset.
Want you at this, ma'am. You have to be matured, okay? You have to settle this issue. You have to be calm. You have to be very specific, very clear that what you want to do. All right? If you're confused, I guess we can hang up the call. Okay? If you will be confused, we will not be able to settle this. Okay? If you really think that yes, you need to go for this, you need my help to settle this, I'm here. But if you think that there is your accountant who can also help you, then you go for her. So be specific this time. What do you want to do? I'm giving you this last chance. As you seems to be a genuine and honest lady to me, okay? I'm giving you final chance. What is your intention, ma'am?
Can I, I just don't know.
Listen, you trust me. I won't let you down, okay? Right now you paid $900, okay? And for the rest, I'll give you time extension, okay? This is the only way we can tackle this, ma'am. And once you get the clearance document, you can show those documents to your accountant, right?
And how do I get the clearance document?
Once you pay the total balance, which is outstanding on your name, we will send you the clearance document. Not only that, once you pay this $900 today, we will send you the receipt for that $900 as well. Okay, it is your email address, that is kaymakin@yahoo.com.au.
Yeah. I haven't used that email address for a long time.
No worry, you can update with your current email address. We'll send the documents on that email address.
Oh,
okay?
excellent. Yeah, can you update my details, please?
It's extremely time sensitive, okay? If we will waste our time like this, then I will not be able to help you.
No, I'm just saying, can you update my email address, please?
You can do it while you are on the phone with the guy, okay? The gentleman from the payment department will help you to make this payment, okay? Now, you sure you want to make this payment of $900, right?
I'm just so confused. Mate, I think I do need to speak to my accountant.
All right then. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You will have some authorities at your mailing address within next 2 to 3 hours with the court summons letter and a non-bailable arrest warrant. Within that time, coordinate with your accountant and tell her to be with you. Okay? Bye-bye.
Whoa. That was absolutely crazy to hear how he spoke. And as an ex-debt collector and somebody with a little bit of knowledge, like, yeah, that's not how it happens. So if you're going to get gypped, man, like, heed the warning. This is what it actually sounds like.